Hey, what's up everyone? Trent here at Precision Transmission, and we've got an 07 Chevy Silverado in the shop today. I have already started pulling this one apart. Got our drive shaft out, the exhaust down. This one's been giving me some issues getting apart. Doesn't look too bad, but if you go look at our frames, this thing is pretty rusted. On these, you gotta kind of get your anti-roll bar or stabilizer bar, what anybody would say, whatever. But our links here are actually rusted together, so whoever gets to take that apart, they're gonna have fun, but I'm not gonna do it. So I was able to actually get my drive shaft out by pulling down on that, and it came out really nice. We have our starter to take out still. We have our converter bolts to take out still. We have our connector off, no fluid in it, looks good. Transfer case is about to come down. So we are getting really close on this one, but it has been a fight the whole time. I'm pretty sure. Okay. Yep, that's the exhaust bolts. I mean, it was like one hit and they were breaking off. Oh, let me turn our heater down. It's called a clean burn, and that thing works really good. It keeps us warm in the winter. Y'all guys go look them up, do really good work, keep us warm. Okay, so we're gonna go back over to this, but y'all guys stay tuned. I'll have this thing more taken apart. We'll see y'all guys shortly. Bam! Just like that. We've got a transfer case down. We have already checked out our seal for the amount of miles on this thing. I think we're close to 200. It's actually really soft and really nice. So we'll get a gasket cleaned up, get a new one on there, and that should be good. We have checked all of our U-joints, everything looks good there. I'm sure y'all were thinking what bolts I broke off earlier. It was these. It was not my manifold bolts or anything. So what's cool about these, you can just knock these out of your flange, both of them, and put a 9/16 bolt in there and back good to go. Everything else looks to be good there. U-joint's good there, U-joint good there. And we are close to ripping this thing out. We got a couple more bolts. We've got our converter bolts taken out, a converter pushed backwards into the transmission. That'd be this way. So when you're taking it out, you're pushing it this way. After you got it bolted back in, you're pushing it back towards the flex plate. Don't forget that. That's where everybody normally messes up. So y'all guys stay tuned and we'll have this thing out. See you shortly. Boom, baby. And just like that, we have our 4L65E ready for teardown. So y'all guys stay tuned. Getting a lot of information on this bad boy, the do's and don'ts, what it looks like. It is original. It has almost 200 and something thousand miles on it. This guy, they stay in the fields, so it was ready to be tore down. The fluid is very black, discolored, actually has a bad smell to it. So I'm thinking one point in time this thing was hot, but we just wanted to make sure that he wasn't gonna have any issues. He kind of just wanted to service it, but service was almost out of the equation because of how bad and how far this transmission has already been. One thing about these things, if they got a lot of mileage on them, never been serviced, been hot before, you can actually have issues when servicing these things. The new fluid is such a high detergent, it will actually wash the material right off the clutches. So y'all guys watch out. If you have never serviced a unit, don't service it, because you'll have a 50-50. Let's just say that 50-50 it'll work, 50-50 it won't work. So y'all be careful if you've never serviced them before. But guys, let me tell you, service your vehicles. You will be surprised how much money it'll save you in the long run. It's a big deal. It's just like taking care of your body. So you wash your body, take care of your teeth, everything like that, it lasts longer. But enough about the transmission. This is a 4L65E. Y'all guys get prepared for a good teardown and a good informational video on that. But we do have a leaking rear main seal. We're gonna get that taken care of for our customer. Oh man, almost dropped the camera. And I already told us, I already know, but told you about the seal. Got a good seal, everything looking good there. Need anything at Precision Transmissions, y'all give us a holler. Have a great day.